Hello friends, and once again welcome back to Fame Ebong TV. And in today's video I want to teach you guys how to produce a beautiful laundry soap like this one you're seeing in this video. I want to teach you guys how to produce something very beautiful like this. If this is your first time of coming here, my name is Fame Ebong, and if this is your first time, do it by following me. Don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop your comments. Where you do not understand what I did, you can drop your question in the comment section. So let's get started on how I produce this. So when making soap, you have to make sure that all your gadgets are in place. Your hand gloves and your eye goggle should be in place. So over here is my work table. I'm going to start displaying my chemicals one after the other with their measurements. In soap making, measurement is very important. Do not neglect measurement so that you will produce a very good soap. Over here is my palm kernel oil. I'm making use of 1000 grams. Now if you observe, I made use of two containers of oil. The first oil is palm kernel oil, the other container is palm kernel oil. The both of them are 1000 grams. So both containers contain palm kernel oil of 1000 grams. And this is my groundnut oil. I'm making use of 500 grams in the first container. You can see there 500 grams of groundnut oil in the first container. I'm going to pour it into one of the containers containing my palm kernel oil. It's as simple as that, very illustrative. First container contains palm kernel oil, the other container contains palm kernel oil. And this is my groundnut oil. I'm making use of 500 grams. You can see two containers containing groundnut oil, two containers containing palm kernel oil. And I've poured the groundnut oil into the second container that contains my palm kernel oil. It's as simple as that, very illustrative. So I hope you don't get confused. So the next thing I want to be doing is to dissolve my caustic soda into the water. You can see I'm making use of two containers of water. Both of them is 490 grams. Two containers of water, and the both of them are 490 grams. I'm going to dissolve caustic soda in the first container, which is the caustic soda is 232 grams. So what I'm doing is that I'm making use of two containers of water. I have dissolved caustic soda in the first container that contains water, and I will stir it. When you are making soap is actually is made with the combination of two things, oil and caustic soda. Once you combine oil and caustic soda, the result always turns out to be soap. Soap is made by the combination of oil and caustic soda. That is just soap making in the very simplest term. Oil and caustic soda combined together produces the soap you see in the market. Every tablet soap you see in the market is made with the combination of oil and caustic soda. So I'll also stir this and make sure that it has been properly dissolved. So you can see what I am doing. Dissolve the caustic soda in water. Now whenever you dissolve caustic soda in water, it usually becomes very hot. The mixture becomes very hot. Whenever you dissolve caustic soda in water, that mixture becomes very hot. So I'm going to put it in another water like this so that it can cool down quickly. I want the temperature to cool down quickly. But notwithstanding, if you don't use this method, it will still cool down, but it will take a longer time. But if you use a method like this, it cools down faster. It's as simple as that. So after like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, my caustic soda has cooled down because I put it in another water, so it cooled down faster. If I had left it like that to cool down, it would have taken a longer time. So I'm about to start the soap making process. Everything is in place. My oil, my color is there, is ready. You can see the color. I'm making use of two colors, pink and white. Then my fragrance is there, it's also ready. Everything should be ready. And look at what I'm going to do. So if you want to produce a colorful soap, just follow this method. And you have to be very fast so that you will not encounter a thick trace. So you have to use speed when you start this production. You stir very fast because the mixture most of the times tend to become thick. So in order to beat the time so that it won't get very thick, you have to be fast in mixing it. So I've added the color and I will stir again. The next thing I'm going to add is the fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. Any fragrance of your choice. So if you check the description of this video, you'll find the link where you can join my online class. I organize trainings online on soap making and other skincare formulations like body cream, the organic soap, the perfume, the hair shampoo, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the shower gel. There's a lot you will learn in my online class. So do well by joining my online class. I teach people how to make things like disinfectants, Dettol, Izal, bleach. So do well by joining. So you can see how I produce this with. I'm making a soap that has 2 different colors. So if you have issues reaching the online class through the link, you can reach me through these phone numbers on WhatsApp. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I didn't say you should call me. Just send me a message on WhatsApp that you want to join the training group. If you have issues joining the group through the link, chat me up on WhatsApp to join the training group. And you can see what I'm doing. I'm vibrating my mold because the mixture became very thick. So I have to vibrate it so that it can spread well and also the top can be a bit smoothened. So whenever you have issues like this, make sure you vibrate your mold. Vibrate it so that it will look smooth. Just shake the mold the way I was shaking my own. Shake it like that several times. It's going to smoothen up whenever you have a thick trace, because most times soap making is a chemistry, so most times you can encounter a thick trace. So in order to be in the safe side, if you have issues with a thick trace, make sure you vibrate your mold. Most people sell adulterated oil. If the oil is adulterated, that's when you will see yourself having issues with thick trace. After 24 hours, this is the result. I'm going to take this soap out of the mold. And if you need this mold is just 11,000 naira. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send this mold to you. Nationwide, we sell this mold. So wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can sell our mold to you. So if you need this mold, or if you need any of our soap equipment, do well by reaching me on WhatsApp. Chat me up on WhatsApp so that you can purchase your own. We have soap mold, we have soap trimmers, we have soap stamps, we have soap cutters, we have soap groove makers. We have different kind of soap equipment. We have different type of soap mold, and we deliver nationwide. So if you need any of our equipment, do well by chatting me up on WhatsApp through that phone number I displayed there. If you even need this cutter, this beautiful precision cutter, you can also chat me up on WhatsApp. We deliver nationwide. This cutter is very affordable. It's just 22,000 naira. Chat me up on WhatsApp to purchase our equipment. And this is your first time coming here, do well by following me so that you'll be updated when I drop lucrative and educative videos like this. You know, my page is one of the pages that you go to and you learn something new. It's not all about the dancing, the singing, and the gossip and all sort of things that goes on the internet. You need to know a skill. You need to learn a skill, because the way the country is going, if you are just following trends without learning a skill, you will end up in a very frustrated mood. You need to learn a skill. So do well by sharing this video. Share it with your friends. These are the kind of videos you should be sharing, and not be looking for latest dance step. Dance step will not put food on your table. You need to learn a skill. Yeah, the economy is not friendly. Things are becoming very expensive in the market. So in order not to be doing fraud, you need to learn a skill. Learn something. You can literally, there's so many things you can do with soap making. You can learn it and sell. You can learn it and teach others. You can learn it, even start producing the equipment. You can learn it and use it as content and go into content creation online. Content pays. You start creating content from learning a skill first. You can start creating content. There are so many things you can do with soap making. You can learn it, open a training center and start teaching people how to make it, and you start cashing out. So these are the kind of videos you should be sharing with your friends. Encourage them to join a training like this. There's a lot of things you will benefit when you know how to produce your own soap, your own cream. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. Share this video and have a lovely day.